Rims Imphal ki khwaidagi wangba governing body oriba Board of Governors ki taramanga suba Mipham ama India lenga ki Health amasung Family Welfare ki Union Minister JP Nadda na Mayai Tangbal Louraga ngarang Pangthokkhre New Delhi ki Kartavya Vavanda Pangthokkhre ba Mipham aduda board ki member oriba Singh Director General of Health Services Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor National Medical Commission NMC ki President Niti Aayog ki Mihut Singh Ministry of Health and Family Welfare ki makok thongba official amadi atai stakeholder kaya na sarug yakhi Loinana atai Northeast State singi mute kaya su Mipham aduda virtual ki kuthang da sarug yakhi Mipham aduda Rims Imphal bu hena awang ba thak amada pukhanabagi tongan ba sakwa tharang kaya gi matang da masakai na khanaki Maroina ana laing ki thabak thoram sing hena mapangal lehenaba academic amasung research ki thabak thoram da hena kumang saushinaba infrastructure samgat pa amadi institute ki administrative affairs da hanadigi mapangal hena lehenabagi matang kumna khanaki hairi masida sunatana Rims Imphal na pangtholiba thabak thoram singda ahen ba Mathau hapnaba institute asi matung tarakpada hena pakthok sauthokpagi matangda suwapam kya pukhanaraki Mipham aduna Manipur amadi Northeast Miyam gi damak Rims Imphal gi medical gi masak thokpa institute ama ohenabagi mathakta ana lying amasung research ki lamda kumang saushil hanabagi warep su hena sesil hanki